Hey everyone, so before this video gets started, we have a partnership with Webull where when you use our link and deposit at least 1 cent, they're gonna send you up to 12 free stocks valued all the way up to $30,600. I use Webull right here. It's a stock trading app and I use it to buy and sell stocks and crypto. It's a really awesome app. It's called Webull. We have a link below. It's a legit partnership where literally all you have to do is make a deposit of at least 1 cent and they're gonna send you 12 free stocks valued all the way up to $30,600. So use our link below for Webull and let's get started with the video. The next topic we are discussing is Fundrise. So I wanted to make this video, guys, because we have a partnership here with the Rideshare Hub with Fundrise. And for limited time, if you sign up with our link, you can get not only a free account, but you can get a $10 bonus when you invest as little as 10 bucks. So this company has completely changed the whole game with investing in real estate. So if right now, especially with inflation and interest, mortgage rates are so high, if you want to go buy a house, you got to have a lot of money. Unless you're buying in, Alabama or something. But even in Alabama, like, prices are still high. So Fundrise has changed the game where you can now invest in real estate without having to go buy a property yourself and without having to be an accredited investor. So an accredited investor is somebody who's either like a millionaire, you make hundreds of thousands of dollars per year, you're basically very, very wealthy. But now you can invest as low as 10 bucks. So you can create your free account with our link below, guys. Go do it right now. Use the link below and get rich.
Yeah, link below, guys.
Disclaimer, we're not financial advisors and I'm not promising that you can get rich. But it could be a great way to diversify your income, diversify your portfolio. Please do not take this as financial advice. This is pure entertainment purposes only. But yeah, do you want to read this little one right here?
Yeah, delivering strong results for our clients even when public markets falter. Our $7+ billion real estate portfolio aims to harness the most powerful long-term drivers of the U.S. real estate market. In today's macroeconomic environment, we believe the Fundrise portfolio is as well positioned as any in the world to deliver stable market-beating returns.
That's awesome. So as you can see, here, this is an example of annual returns. Look at the public stock market. 2022 to Q3, down 23%. Fundrise, on the other hand, up 5%. So you would have actually made way more money, almost 30%, more than if you would have had it in Fundrise as opposed to other REITs or public stocks.
That's crazy.
Yeah. So pretty awesome stuff. And they're featured in all these article places. So yeah, signing up with Fundrise is simple and only takes a few minutes. We automatically connect with more than 3,500 banks. No complicated paperwork is required. You can select an account level and plan. Tell us about yourself. Grow your portfolio over time. 5 stars on NerdWallet. 5 stars on Google. 4.9 stars on Apple. This is how it works. We blend our investment expertise with smart technology to provide 371,000 investors.
Oh, wow.
Crazy, guys. Your returns are maximized through our low-fee approach. So, yeah, pretty epic. Pretty epic.
Mm-hmm.
So, yeah, No accreditation is required. That's what I was saying. All you have to do is be over the age of 18, U.S. citizen, currently residing in the United States, who is over 18. How does pricing work? So you only pay 15 basis points annual investment. That's actually pretty freaking low, guys. Mm-hmm. That's not bad at all. That's basically a tenth of a percent. So, it's a long-term investment. Should be viewed as 5+ years. How does liquidity work? So if you're, anyway, you can read it if you'd like, but check it out. Use our link below, get it set up with a free account, and get $10 when you invest $10. So you can get a little $10 bonus there. Thanks so much for watching today's video. And again, when you use our link below to sign up for Webull and deposit at least 1 cent, they're gonna send you up to 12 free stocks valued all the way up to $30,600. Webull is an awesome stock trading app that I personally use to buy and sell stocks. So use our link below to sign up for Webull and deposit at least 1 cent, and they're gonna send you all the way up to 12 free stocks valued all the way up to $30,600. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.